भारतभर 57% क्रायम डिटेक्शन जाता. गोंयांत ताच्या परस कमी डिटेक्शन जाता. हातूंत सुदारणा जावपाक जाय. खून, लुटमार, अर्थीक फटवणूक सारकिल्ल्यो केशी फक्त फायलींनी उरल्यो म्हण जायना, तर त्यो तडीक लागपाक जाय म्हण क्रायम SP राहुल गुप्ता उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर फोंडेच्यान विदिता प्रभू.
We are seeing that the conviction rate in our country overall is 57% and Goa is on the lower side of that conviction rate. And obviously it has to do with a lot of things, not just police, forensics, forensic institutes, forensic science laboratories, and also courts. So, but the primary record builders are us. As a police officer, we are the one who are taking the, examining the witnesses, visiting the crime scenes. So you have to be really professional in that, and we have to improve our conviction rate. And I'll just tell you from my experience, if you feel the need to, if you are not feeling like that, I have to do very professional work in this case, you think that it does not matter, it hardly matters, it is just simple case, how does it bother me? I've seen a lot of police officers develop that kind of mindset that it does not affect me, the crime does not affect me. But you have to think in terms of the victim. You have to keep yourself in the shoes of the victim and just imagine his or her agony, his or her pain. Then you will realize why I have to, do all these things are professionally, because it is only you. If you will not, then who will?